Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm showing you a product from TPARTS, and it's a TPARTS Console pad for the Model 3 and the Model Y. This product here is washable, it has thermal stability, and of course it says it has greenness, whatever that means. This one is black, you can get it in gray. Now let's look at it. Here, this is the product, that's where it goes, and I guess there's one that goes in here. Alright, so this part here is made in China, but I have been working with TPARTS for quite a while. They are sending me new products to review, and the deal is not that I always tell them that everything is great. The deal is that I just give an honest opinion on them, and that's all up to me. And so far I really think the quality has been pretty good. So I am one-handed here, I am trying to get this out. That doesn't work, so let me put the camera down and we'll go from there. You know, I don't script these videos, so that's why things are not always as smooth as they are on other channels. Okay, here we go. Let me lower the camera a little bit. Here we go. This is the packaging here, and don't mind the noise in here. I have the heat on because it's pretty cold. Okay, see, nice plastic. One thing I have to say about TPARTS, their packaging is excellent. I mean, the packaging is excellent, and you know, the materials are good. Sometimes you just get a really cheap plastic and a really flimsy cardboard bag. Okay, here's the one part, here's the second. Yeah, there's not much to say. It's just like a rubber, little rubber tray, you know? See? So we'll go to the Tesla and pop that in and see what it looks like. Now, the Tesla right now, I have plenty of stuff in, so let me go first and empty it, and then we'll put this in and we'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, and just so you know, if you want to have this part, go in the description of the video, you'll have the link to TPARTS. all right, and if you do that, of course, you know, you get 10% off your whole purchase. So go ahead and do that. Use the discount code HANGER. Okay, let me go to the Tesla. Okay, and here we are inside the Tesla. I have the weather radar up here, and you can see there's some rain, but it's far away from us. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I popped that in. It fits perfectly. Let me take it back out and I'll show you why. It's the part, and look, this is what comes with the Tesla. A little tiny rubber mat, and you can either leave that in and then just take this one and put it on top of it like this. You have to work it in a little bit. There, you have to push and see if it fits. Yeah, that's the right way, and that fits just perfectly, you know, fits really good. So if you have something in there that rolls around, it doesn't make noise, it's nice and rubbery. If something spills, it stays in there. Okay, so the large one right here goes in here, and it's the same way, but I have too much stuff in there now. I don't want to get all that out. Same way, you pop it in and it works. Now that I can have you guys here, you see this nice carbon fiber here? Here, TPARTS also, let me close this, send me the carbon fiber that I have in here and here, and they send me a new set here for the steering wheel. So 3 pieces of carbon fiber for the top and the bottom. So here, here, and here. Very nice. I'll tell you in just a moment why mine's not installed. Okay, look at this. This here is the, I'll put it right here. This here is the carbon fiber they send me. And I'll take it out and you'll see what it looks like. It's beautiful, isn't it? And it's real carbon fiber, it's not plastic. And it goes right on top here. And like that. You know, that's how you put it on with double-sided tape. Okay, like this. That's how it fits, and it fits good. I think it looks good. I think it fits well, and you know, I'm a little weird when it comes to touches. I mean, I used to feel what this feels like, the plastic and that little round ball here, you know, that goes in all directions. And I was not sure if I would like it, if it's a little bit thicker, you know. I don't know. I wasn't sure if I like it, so I did not put it on. I haven't put it on yet, so because there's a video about this. Go ahead and look at the video. But they sent me another set with this here, so it's worth mentioning. Okay guys, I'm gonna clean out and put this one in too. I think this is a good product. Use my discount code HANGER and get 10% off if you want to buy this or that, or even the carbon fiber mirror caps, you know, or even this here, it's soft armrest here. So if you want to buy any of that, 10% off. All right guys, go ahead and do that if you want to. If not, that's totally fine. All right, I wish you a happy day.